At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, February 21, 2023, is Vinco Ventures stock about to get delisted? Vinco will imminently file its earnings report for the quarter ended June 30, 2022. Vinco Ventures has yet to submit earnings for the second and third quarters of 2022, which is in non-compliance with Nasdaq listing policies. The company also failed to hold an annual meeting of shareholders last year. BBIG stock is up about 16% year to date. Back in August, Vinco Ventures, Nasdaq BBIG, received a notice from the Nasdaq saying that the company was not in compliance with the exchange's continued listing requirements. This was due to its delinquent Form 10-Q, or earnings report, for the quarter ended June 30. The deadline had been set to August 15 and extended to August 22 following Vinco's submission of a Form 12b-25. Following the notice, Nasdaq gave the company 60 calendar days to submit a plan for regaining compliance. Vinco did so, pushing the deadline back to February 13 as a result. In November, however, Vinco received another notice of non-compliance from Nasdaq, this time for its delinquent Form 10-Q for the quarter ended September 30. The initial deadline to submit the form was November 14. Following receipt of the notice, Vinco submitted a plan of compliance to file its Form 10-Qs for the quarters ended June 30 and September 30 by no later than January 30. Vinco then requested more time on January 26, resulting in the deadline being pushed back to February 13. Today is February 21 and there are still no earnings reports in sight. Is BBIG stock about to get delisted? If that wasn't bad enough, there's another area in which Vinco is in non-compliance. On January 4, Nasdaq notified Vinco that the company did not comply with its continued listing requirements by failing to hold an annual meeting of shareholders last year. The exchange provided Vinco with 45 days to submit a plan to regain compliance. If the plan is accepted, Vinco will have until June 29 to regain compliance. Vinco reportedly plans to hold the meeting no later than March 31. Because Vinco Ventures failed to submit an earnings report by February 13, the Nasdaq concluded that it did not meet the terms of the exception, or the extended deadline. Vinco says it will appeal this determination to a hearings panel. This morning, the digital media company announced that it would imminently file its Form 10-Q for the quarter ended June 30. The company will also file its Form 10-Q for the quarter ended September 30 by March 8. It's not yet known how Nasdaq will react to these delayed filings. Vinco's appeal to the hearings panel and the conclusion of the hearing will likely provide a more in-depth look at the situation for BBIG stock investors. Thanks for watching. Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.